To get the most up-to-date files and documentation for your Profinet Masters, follow these easy steps. First, you'll need to find the specific part number of the Profinet Masters device you're using. This can usually be found on the device itself or in the documentation that came with it. Once you've got your part number, navigate to the Balluff website at balluff.com. You can do this by visiting the website in your web browser and typing in the search bar. Now, enter your part number in the search bar to find the specific downloads area for your Profinet Masters. This will bring up a list of relevant files and documentation. Select the Downloads tab or button. This will take you to a page where you can find all the files and documentation related to your Profinet Masters device, including the GSDML file. From here, you can access all the latest files and documentation for your Profinet Masters device, including software updates, firmware downloads, and technical documentation like user manuals and data sheets. To successfully import the GSDML files into TIA Portal, you'll need to follow these steps. First, navigate to the Options section within TIA Portal. From here, select the option that says Manage General Station Description Files. This will open up the prompt where you can import your GSDML files. Next, browse to the location on your computer where you've unzipped the GSDML files. Make sure to select this folder as the destination for the file import process. Once you've selected the correct folder, click Install to start the file import process. This may take a few seconds to complete. After the installation is complete, TIA Portal will update your hardware catalog with the new GSDML files. You'll know this has happened when you see a confirmation message on the screen. Now that the file import process is complete, you're free to add the Profinet Masters to your project within TIA Portal. Simply select the device from the hardware catalog and follow the on-screen instructions to configure it. Next, you need to assign the master an IP address, subnet, and name the master for the device tree in your project. Save your project. After the save is complete, select the Online Access section of the device tree in your TIA project. Select the network card that contains your Profinet network. Now select Update Accessible Devices. Find the master that you want to add and double-click Online and Diagnostics to set the master's name and IP to match your project above. Now you can join your network to the master by going to your PLC's device configuration and dragging the network to the green node box on the master. Next, right-click on the master and select Assign Device Name. Be sure to select the correct network and interface for the network. Once the master is found, select the Assign Device Name button. Finally, save your project.